Hello good people, hello budgeters, welcome back to this channel. I know it's been a while since I've done a long form video, but this one is an important one because this will be a training and demonstration video of the new monthly goals tracking template. So if you're interested in that, stick around. But a quick disclaimer, it's 1,000 shillings. It will be available linked below. You can reach out to me on all the other social media platforms. Very simple tool, very easy to follow and very nice to help you stick with your goals for 2024. So if you're interested, please feel free to get in touch with me. And without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So this is the new monthly goal tracking template, and you can see you can clearly define the different categories for your goals. You can include a due date and a tick box to ensure that you can indicate when it's completed. You have a progress report in the form of a pie chart, and you have different categories. And this will be tracking your goals on a month-to-month basis. So it doesn't matter whether you have like specific goals that keep repeating every month. You just keep duplicating the template over and over and over, and it will clearly indicate. So this is an example of my sample goals that I'm trying to put down, including the different categories, and I'm demonstrating how you update it. You just tick for the progress graph to pick that you have completed that assignment for the month or for the week. And yeah, it can be used for different, again, categories of areas of your life. So if it's personal development, career, business, for example, health and wellness, all these categories can be included. I gave an estimate of around 5 goals, which is the broader overview, and then you can break them down into smaller, tinier, achievable goals. So if you're interested, please reach out.